Hello money, my old friend, I've come to count with you again. Because the stock market's always creeping, losing profits while I was sleeping. And the numbers that were playing in my brain still remain within the sound of finance. In recessions I walked alone, narrow streets of Wall Street zone. Beneath the halo of the stock exchange, I'll turn my ticker to the pouring rain. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of the trading screen that split the night and touched the sound of finance. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 stocks, maybe more. People talking without listening, people selling without investing, people writing trades that voices never share. No one dared disturb the sound of finance. Fool said I, you do not know, finance like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my profits that I might reach you. But my words like silent whispers fell and echoed in the wells of finance. In recessions I walked alone, narrow streets of Wall Street zone. Neath the halo of the stock exchange, I turned my ticker to the pouring rain. When my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a trading screen that split the night and touched the sound of finance. And the people bowed and prayed to the stock market they made. And the sign flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming. And the sign said the profits of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of finance.
Greetings, my dear companion of capital. I have arrived to engage in numerical discourse once more. For the realm of stocks forever sneaks upon me, eroding profits while I slumber soundly. And the figures ingrained within my mind persist and linger within the symphony of finance. Amidst economic downturns I tread solitary path, through narrow streets within Wall Street's domain. Beneath the luminous aura of the stock exchange, I turn my attention to the deluge of rain. When my eyes are pierced by the brilliance of trading screens that cleave the darkness and caress the harmony of finance. In the unveiled luminance I witness 10,000 stocks, perchance even more. People conversing without truly listening, people selling without truly investing, people inscribing trades their voices never share. No one dares to disrupt the symphony of finance. Simpletons, I exclaimed, you are unaware of the manner in which finance proliferates like a malignancy. Hear my words that I may enlighten you, take my profits that I may attain your understanding. Yet my words akin to silent whispers dissipate and reverberate within the depths of finance. And the populace bows in praise to the stock market they have constructed, and the sign flickers offering its warning, and the words it formulates, and the sign proclaims the profits. Profits are etched upon subway walls and tenement halls, and murmurs within the symphony of finance. Greetings, my old friend of wealth and numbers. I have come once again to engage in the art of calculation. For the realm of stocks stealthily creeps upon me, diminishing profits while I slumbered unaware. And the numerical eye